Hello dear students! By the request of a lot of students, today we are going to learn a new Romanesque alphabet of Kazakh language. In our new alphabet, we have 32 alphabets. In Cyrillic, we used to have 42, so we are short for 10 letters. A, alma, alma. Ateş, ateş. B, bala, bala. D, dop, dop. Y, yishka, yishka. F, football, football. G, gazet, gazet. R, it comes from here. R, гараж, гараж. H, compared to R, this H is a little bit soft. H, хабар, хабар. It's very soft one. Rimshik, rimshik. I, ini, ini. Ж, жапырақ, жапырақ. К, кітап, кітап. Л, лак, лак. М, мысық, мысық. Н, нан, нан. It's like an ng sound in English, so it comes from here. Like in the morning. Ang. In Kazakh language, there is no word that starts with this letter. It always comes in the middle or in the end. Ang, ang. Wo, ot, v. First, you make your mouth like this. Your tongue comes really close to your lips. You don't totally close this hole, a little bit open, and wird, pashak, pashak. K. K. Also like R, it comes from here. K. But compared to R, this is very hard one. K. K. Kazakh. Kazakh. R. R. Radio. Radio. S. S. Sagat. Sagat. T. T. Tavuk. Tavuk. O. O. Olu. Olu. When you say this, your tongue comes a little bit back and your mouth is like O. O. When tongue comes a little bit forward, then you have totally another sound. So you have to put your tongue a little bit back and then you will have this sound. O. O. Ü. Ü. Ukü. Ukü. So here we make our mouth like this, lips. Ready? So your tongue is down and a little bit closer to your lips. V. V. Wagon. Wagon. Others. Others. Your lips are like this. You open it a little bit. U. U. Awa. Awa. This letter U, it mostly comes in the middle or in the end. Z. Z. Zamaran. Zamaran. Sh. Sh. Shash. Shash. Sh. Ch. Ch. Чемодан. Чемодан. So we finished to learn 32 letters. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you really like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. We'll see us in the next lesson. Goodbye. Sağ olun.